This is KMTV 3 News Now, this morning.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. I'm Jennifer Griswold.
Yeah, we appreciate you starting your morning off with us. Today is Wednesday, September 30th.
And Weather Alert meteorologist Mark Stitz joins us now with a look at what you can expect when you go outside today. A little warmer than yesterday morning, Mark.
Yeah, warmer this morning, but the afternoon going to be cooler compared to yesterday afternoon thanks to a cold front passing through. And this is going to be one of those kind of multi-day cool downs. It's more of a steady drop in temperatures. It's not going to be those things where the cold front hits and we just immediately tank in the temperature department. So kind of one of those situations instead. So overall, going to still be comfortable today. And we're comfortable out there this morning. Now 58 degrees in Omaha, but a couple spots actually still holding on to their low 60s, including Lincoln and up to our north in Sioux City. Meanwhile, other spots are down into the 40s in parts of northwest Missouri and southwest Iowa. But most of Iowa, you guys are mainly in the 50s, and most of Nebraska is in the 50s too, but you can find some other 40s out there towards the panhandle. Eastern Nebraska, really all of Nebraska, completely dry. We'll see a lot of sunshine to start the day, but you can see a little bit more cloud cover across western Iowa, a little bit of rainfall, at least light stuff out towards the central part of the state and into eastern Iowa too. But it's all moving away from us, so we're going to keep it dry for today as that cold front passes through. And you know what that means? A green light for the outdoor yard work this afternoon. Temperature is near 70, but it is going to be windy. Thursday, still windy, but cooler if you prefer that as you do your outdoor yard work, near 60. And Friday, we keep it very cool too. But the one thing you'll have to wait for to mow the yard Friday morning, we'll have to wait for some frost to